Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. If you are looking for your recovery phrase on Solflare Wallet, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you exactly how to obtain that. So let's dive in. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the first thing you need to do is access your profile. So open your Solflare Wallet application and locate the round profile picture icon, which should be at the top of your screen, and tap this to access your account settings. So once you're in your profile settings, look for the edit button, which is positioned at the top right hand side of the screen, and you can tap it to modify your wallet settings. Here, then you need to browse through your wallet account and find the specific one that you are in need of. Click the three-dot menu icon next to the wallet name to reveal additional options. From the menu options, you can now select Export Recovery Phrase. Your unique 12 or 24 word recovery phrase will now be displayed on your screen. Something to remember though is that your recovery phrase is the master key to your cryptocurrency. So anyone that has access to it has complete control over all of your funds. So you do need to treat it like the most valuable possession and protect it with the highest level of security. I hope this was helpful.